यति कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्ण भक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमः। श्री चैतन्य मनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपः कदा मह्यं ददाति सपदं आदानस्तीर्णं दन्तैरिदं जाचे पुनः पुनः श्रीमद्रूपदाम्भोजधूलि स्यात् मम जन्मनि जन्मनि। In text 7, we have read the explanation of Swamiji that we are all diseased persons. Their diseases are of two kinds. One in this material body and another is in heart. Devotees, then those who are real devotees, they don't worry for bodily disease. Only they care for what disease? And that heart disease, what is that heart disease? If mind is cleaned, then everything is okay. If heart is cleaned, having duplicity and others what?
Hypocrisy.
Hypocrisy. More?
And now diplomacy.
You have come? Very good. We all... Where is Yashodanandan? Very good. We are lacking of you 2, 3, 4. Now I think that our classes, our new Braj is full. So, our real disease is in our heart. And what is that heart disease?
Avidya. Avidya, ignorance.
Shrida Roga. Srila Vyasdev or Srila Sukadeva Goswami has cleared it. Here, in heart, so strong disease that Hrida Rog. Hrida Rog means Kam Rog. What is Kam Rog?
Lust.
Lust. Lust for worldly things. So if duplicity, hypocrisy,
Diplomacy.
to cheat others, this motive is there. This is dangerous. Anyone is full of ignorance, he is weak, no harm. He should be sincere. And if a man is has so much duplicity and all these bad things, he cannot progress. Never. He may do 1 lakh of Harinam, whole day doing all these things. But he will always try to cheat others by worldly things. To take money, to have praise, that his name and fame should worldly, here and there, for these things. Because he is not sincere. Especially the lust, Hridrog. How it will go? Only there is one way. To chant name in the association of any higher Vaishnava who has cleaned his heart, whose heart is cleaned and purified. He has so much developed his Krishna prem in his guidance always, obeying him, being in Vrindavan, if not by outwardly, inwardly, by mind he should be in Vrindavan. Then this heart will be cleaned. First bhakti will come and then heart will cleaned. Don't think that we will clear our heart, everything will go away, then bhakti will come. Never, it is not. This is not authentic Siddhant. When bhakti will come gradually, and by the power of bhakti itself, without any effort, this Hritarog will go. Idancha Vishnu, na. Vajubad Idancha Vishnu, Shraddhanvita. Anushriyat. Shraddhanvita Anushriyat means with Shraddha, with great honor, sincerely. Anushriyat. Anushriyat means always, continuously hearing. How? With so much affection and love and honor. To be established in that always, continuously, without break. Then Anushya Athavarnayeja, and after that he is what? Describing. What thing? It has been told in the Ras Leela Prasanga at the last